How to insert logo in CapCut PC. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To add your logo in your CapCut PC, it is basically very simple. Start off by launching a CapCut application in your PC. Then, export a file in which you wish to add your logo. Now, if you wish to import your logo, you can do so by tapping on the import button. After which, select on the logo that you have to add in your file. Then, once the logo has been imported, just drag along in the timeline. Now over here, you can adjust the duration by dragging it over here. Once you have set the duration of the logo, now to adjust it, you can just readjust its size by manual dragging. But if you wish to do in a more uniform way, you can click on the basic option where you can adjust the scale accordingly, and also you can type in your own position and ratio. Or you can just click on the ratio option and you can select from here as well. If you wish to remove the background, you can tap on remove BG and just tap on auto removal. Or if you wish to, you can use stroke or chrome key as well. Once done, now adjust your logo in the place where you wish to add it. And there you have it. This is how you are supposed to add a logo in your CapCut PC. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in.